it's time to talk about these new Z4 top cover panels that I made. Now, if you consider this design, it's effectively the same design that BMW originally came up with, except what I did was I took my car, I reverse engineered the area around the convertible top, and I did some CFD analysis to make sure that the panel that I designed was equal to or better than the original one that BMW made. The biggest problem with the original panels is that the lock quickly breaks and the panels then have to be thrown away because, well, there's no other lock. If you know anything about these panels, you know how they're absolutely impossible they are to find. Well, I've taken that basic design and I've made some drastic improvements. So you can see here, the lock on the bottom is spring-loaded. So when you're in the car, you're sitting there with your friends, and you say, wait a minute, let's go inside. You open the top. Oh shit. Well, guess what? It didn't break, it only moved. So you snap it back in place, put it back in the car, and you're set to go again. The installation of the panels is quite easy as well. They install the same way that the original BMW ones would install. Just take the panel, put it into the space here, fit it in, and lock it down. There you are, safe and secure, and tested to the maximum speed allowable by law. So now let's look at the most important feature of these, which is their ability not to break when you F it up. So here we are in the car, talking to your friends, considering which beer you're going to get at the bar, non-alcoholic of course, when you decide, okay, well, let's put up the top. That still scares me every time. So as you can see here, the piece, undamaged, the lock, merely tripped. All you have to do, click it back, and you're good to go again. Reinstallation, just as simple as the first time, and you're set to go and obey more speed limits.